Welcome back to Balanced Living. So in this video, I'll be talking to you about water, some way to just spike up your couple of glasses of water you have to take in a day. Yeah. If you're new here and you're not yet subscribed, welcome, cutie. And trust me, there's a whole lot for you. Yeah. So click on that subscribe button so you'll be notified anytime I pop up a video. Okay. It's essential to take in water daily because it helps to detoxify your body, it helps hydrate your body, it helps cleanse your system, aids your digestive tract, etc. Yeah, just in case you don't know, I'm just popping all this. It does a whole lot of good, including your hair. Okay, so I know it's really boring for me, okay, to just wake up in the morning and pop 2 glasses of water and you're doing something in 30 minutes to eating, oh, I have to take another glass of water, etc. I had to find a way out, yeah? So I'll be showing you right now another way to help you still take water, yeah? And then another way it works for me, it gives me the mentality as though I'm taking a drink. Meanwhile, I'm actually taking in water, so it helps me keep up with my necessary water intake daily, just to do all the good things what are supposed to do for me. Yeah. So let me just show you. So this is my water bottle that I got from a superstore. Sure, you can get from anywhere. Yeah. It's full with water. So what I do is simple. I just take a cucumber. This is like cucumber I ate when I was taking lunch, and then I just get a slice and then I drop that into the bottle. So then I take a lemon, okay, so I just get a slice because of the size of my bottle. I have to further slice this lemon in 2, and then okay, what's that? I don't know. Well, I drop it in and drop the second slice in, and then I screw. I'd leave it to sit so that everything in the lemon and cucumber will infuse into my waters. With all this in, I'm not only taking a plain water, yeah, I'm having my stuffs from the lemon that helps to detoxify, reduce bloating, aid in your digestion, and a couple of other wonderful, lovely things lemon does for you. And then the peel of lemon, well, it said that it aids in the fight of cancer. And then cucumber is okay. So, and then trust me, the water actually tastes like cool, so you can take it. Then you can refill with the same slice just once. Sometimes I don't do that, just because the first time I tried it, the water didn't exactly taste the same way. So I just felt, well, I had taken everything I wanted, so I don't refill with the same slices. But then you can refill with the same slices, yeah, once. So you can and you should include this. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has just helped you. And if you have not yet clicked on the subscribe button, don't leave. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Yes, anytime I put up a new video, you'll be notified. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you. And always there's a big heart here. Take care.